All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are headed to Garden City to go for the 2024 OXBOW team ride. We got a whole bunch of new guys that are going to show up and some of the solid guys. So anyway, yeah, I think I'll probably get back with you guys when we get to the cabin or the trailhead. We'll see where we end up, but I think you're going to enjoy this video. Holy freaking crap. I don't know how fast the wind's blowing, but it is gnarly right about now. Oh, our place is right. Oh, yeah, there it is. Holy, what a unit. Look at that. Boys, that is a nice place to stay. Heck yeah. So sick. Alrighty, guys, we just left the cabin, met up with the entire group. Man, it was cool seeing all these guys again. We kind of got like the OG group from last year and then a bunch of new people, so it'll be good. But yeah, headed up the mountain now, and should be some fresh up there, so we'll see how it goes. Ben is doing a barbecue for us with his wagon, which is pretty awesome. So we have a resident chef on hand, but let's get our ride on. I'm really excited for tonight.
Oh,
funny. That's hard right there.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's sick. That's a little sketch, Cal.
I know. I had big eyeballs. Doesn't look like good landing.
Not at all. Looks a little sparse. Yeah, buddy. Oh, rough.
Alright, who's next? He's at, well, I'm making another one. What cheese, American or provolone?
We have options.
Chuck Wagon! I'll Venmo you a tip. Oh, excellent, excellent.
Benjamin Stephen Hancock!
Just serving up some dinner here on the mountain. How is it in there? We're 3 inches deep in beef, man!
I think he made lemonade right over there. So
Oh,
make
yeah.
sure you get your fresh lemonade snow cone.
Yeah, snow cone.
Lemonade snow
cones
cone.
are right behind you.
Well, that got bouncy. Oh, buddy guy.
Yeah, I kind of fit into the tree.
Yeah, it looks like it. Well, let's roll you over, I guess, or what?
Yeah.
Should we rock it a little? Let me get it. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me get up here.
Oh, my ski rubber came
Oh no, dude, you blew it up.
Oh, I figured.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy money. Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh yeah. There it goes.
So here's my thought. Wonder if we can get it in with the bolt started on this one side.
Right.
Maybe not. I don't know.
I think we can. If we just get it just far enough.
I'm not gonna hit it just yet. Let me take a pass or two on
You
this.
got it. Oh, did it rip it? Yeah, it did, huh?
It ripped it. But
Roger
I think that's an old wound. So it'll be fine.
Okay. Like it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
That was luck. A little bit of luck. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, you guys ready?
One little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, that's good.
Glad you didn't go too far.
Okay, take 2.
We're missing it. Oh, I see what he's doing. He's airing out that re-entry.
Oh.
Gosh dang it. Oh, hold on. Come on. Gosh dang. We had to change the ski rubber, yeah.
Oh, you had an extra?
No, well, it pushed it out. It's broken, but smashed.
I'll stand on this ski. This side down.
So what happened here?
Nothing.
Oh.
Backflip and he landed this way. I got in his way and he got stuck.
A backflip?
Yeah, you rock it.